This is, I'm doing a quick video so they can see it. They're out of state people.
Military?
Yeah. And all they saw was what's online, you know. Living room. I'm going over to the right into a bathroom. Quick. Hi, how are you? Couple bedrooms on the side here.
3 bedrooms.
3 bedrooms, okay.
2 baths.
Okay. Nice and big.
Yeah,
Not bad.
it's nice, yeah.
Yeah. Okay if I go in here?
Go ahead.
Master.
What's that?
I'm just talking on this. It's a master bedroom. Large closet space. And the master bath. And just a nice big master bath.